Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Toyota Highlander windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and prevents accidental damage. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the wiper arm hook. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the windshield, as this could cause damage. Once removed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the towel you placed earlier. Installing the new wiper blades is just as easy. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's locked. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade, ensuring both are firmly attached. With both new blades installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. You should see a clean, streak-free wipe. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.